Stay with me in the afterlife. The sun has left, but we remain in a glow that feels the same. Every shadow soft and gold, like a story never told. Your hand resting close to mine, moving slow, no need for time. In the silence, in the space, I still see it on your face. And I don't wanna rush away from the light that chose to stay. If the night begins to fall, we don't need to move at all. Slow dancing in the afterlife, holding on through the fading night. Every step, every sway, feels like we don't drift away. We don't need the morning sun, we're still going when it's gone. If this moment is all we ride, we were real in the afterlife. Stay with me tonight, afterlife. Hold me in the light. Me, I'm fading into blue, but I'm still here close to you. Every heartbeat soft and low, like a rhythm we both know. No more words to rearrange, no more fear of what could change. We just move, we just breathe in a truth we both can't leave. And I don't need to understand, was it fate or just a plan? All I know is here with you, feels like something pure and true. We're slow dancing in the afterlife, holding on through the fading night. Every step, every sway, feels like we don't drift away. We don't need the morning sun, we're still glowing when it's gone. If this moment is all we ride, we were real in the afterlife. If the light slips out of you, will I still be here with you? Or will we just slowly fade, like a dream we almost made? I still feel you in every move. The night grows deep, the world turns quiet, but in this glow, we're still alive, slow dancing in the afterlife. In the afterlife, we're still here. We're still here under the same fading sky. Colors slowly turning gray as the light just slips away. We don't speak, we don't move, like we're scared to face the truth. Your shadow next to mine feels like borrowed space and time. Every second passing by is a quiet kind of goodbye. And I don't know how to stay when the sky is drifting away. past like we did here. Close enough, but never near. Inside my heart, under the same fading sky, under the same fading sky. We were lost, but it felt like home. Quiet waves around our feet, no more noise, just you and me. Every word we didn't say drifted slowly far away. Golden light across your eyes, like the end of summer skies. We were standing in between what we were and what we'd be. And I didn't wanna move, didn't wanna break the truth. If this moment had to fade, let it stay inside the waves. We were lost in the quiet waves, in the love we couldn't say. Every breath, every stare felt like something always there. We didn't fight, we didn't run, we just faded with the sun. If it's gone, I still can say we were real in the quiet waves. In the waves, we just stayed. Footprints fading in the sand, like a life we never planned. Every step we left behind still echoes in my mind. You were close but slipping through, like the tide. I never knew how to hold or how to keep something flowing way too deep. And I tried to let it go, but the ocean pulls me close to the place we used to be, where you still exist in me. We were lost in the quiet waves, in the love we couldn't save. Every breath, every stare felt like something always there.